Well, this was unexpected. Yesterday we were supposed to get rain according to all the, on the news, weather forecast. And about midday started in, and a couple hours after that, snowflakes mixed in, spitting snow with it. And then it kept on. Before you know it, 3-4 inches piling up on the deck here and on the rail and everywhere. Kind of a heavy, sticky snow. And now they're saying, I don't know, it looks like we've probably got about 9 inches or so. It's just barely above, it's up in the 30s. It's, you can see it starting to slide off some of my pen roofs down there, but geez, what a setback. I was getting a lot done out in the yard, and at least by the time this, it's supposed to keep going too. I heard something around 2 feet. I don't know if I heard wrong or not. This whole state pretty much without power. I'm running off a generator here, and yeah, what a setback. Christ, time this melts, and so I'll lose about a week's work outside. Been doing a lot of yard work and blocking up and leveling under the pens and raking, and it's going to be put on hold.